Susan Manyaga. The thing that made us to succeed in this examination, first and foremost, we just put God first, and secondly, it's commitment. Our teachers also made us to pass with flying colors. They made us to do more exercises in the topics that we could not understand very well. We did a lot of exercises that made us to succeed and be ready for the national examination. And thirdly, it's our parents who also get into our school and paid our school fees and made us not to go back home to pick the school fees. So they made us to be staying here and work hard. And thirdly, we also had a prayer that made us to pass with flying colors. We put God first, and that's what we did to pass with flying colors. Fourthly, we were not afraid of the KCPE because we were not the first one to do it. And we knew we had to be stronger so that we could finish and make our history of a good mean that was 350, but we succeeded in getting 349.37.
Nashukuru Mungu kwa sababu ile kitu nimefanyiwa ama Mungu amenifanyia ni mzuri sana. Sikuwa natarajia matokeo yenye nimepata kutoka kwa mtoto wangu. Na huyo sio mtoto wa kwanza. Kuna mwingine anasoma Sumbi. Alienda form 4. Lakini alifanya vizuri, akapata marks nzuri. Na huyu mwenye anamfuata amepata marks nzuri tena. Sasa niko nafikiria Mungu atamsaidia apate shule nzuri aende asome. Nashukuru walimu wenye wako hapa kwa hii shule, ile bidii yenye wako nayo, director na walimu wenzake na wazazi pia. Hii shule tunashirikiana tu wazazi na watoto na walimu pamoja. Hii ndio inatoa marks nzuri kwa watoto.
I'm the deputy of Borabu, Mumo Academy. We are very happy because our candidates have done exam and the results was good, where we have enjoyed dancing with them, where we managed to score the highest managed to score 393 and the lowest 292. I want to thank my teachers, since my teachers, they worked hard in class and they are the one who made these pupils to pass. In our school, we have a population of around 400 pupils. So we are just encouraging parents to bring more pupils because we have enough facilities in our institution, and also we have junior secondary school, and also we have the professional teachers who are trying to handle the pupils. So I'm requesting that the parents do something, bring more pupils in our institution.
Stella Mugusu, I am the director of the school. This is our school, and I want to appreciate for the results which we have had now, because we have improved from last year to this year, and our children have performed very well. They have passed 100% because we don't have below 290. The lowest is 290 and the highest is 393. So all of them got above 350, and we are very happy. We have now completed the 844 successfully, and our school has been doing very well up to now. Now next year we are now entering the CBC, and I hope we shall continue doing very well with CBC. And the best thing of CBC is that there is no ranking like now. because we are appreciating the learners who have done very well and others who have now average and so forth and so on. But CPC will have no classes, will have no ranking. So I hope from there every child will succeed in life.